To start with our inaugural session, I would like to call the President of SPE India, Mr. Ramesh Parasuraman, to extend the welcome address. Please welcome Ramesh Parasuraman.
So, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests on the dais, esteemed members of Society of Plastic Engineers India, and my friends from the industry. It is my honor and privilege to welcome all of you to the grand inauguration of Plastic Pipes 2024, a pinnacle event organized by SPE India. As the president of this esteemed society, I am thrilled to witness the gathering of such brilliant minds and innovative spirits in the realm of plastic piping. As we embark on this journey of exploration, collaboration, and discovery over the next 2 days, it is imperative to recognize the profound impact that plastic pipes have had on modern infrastructure and everyday life. From revolutionizing plumbing systems to enhancing infrastructure worldwide, plastic pipes have played a pivotal role in shaping our modern world. And here we are today, ready to explore further innovations and possibilities. Well, now I must confess, organizing a conference like this is a little bit like assembling a complex puzzle made up entirely of plastic. It demands meticulous planning, precise execution, and the occasional moment of flexibility when things don't align as expected. But fear not, we have ensured that our gears are well lubricated to keep the proceedings flowing smoothly. In the world of plastic pipes, every bend tells a story, doesn't it? So let's embrace those twists and turns with open arms. After all, life itself would not be interesting without a little bit of flexibility. Plastic piping systems, the unsung heroes of fluid dynamics, have left an indelible mark on modern infrastructure. Their legacy is woven from threads of durability against corrosion, the lightness of possibilities, and the art of installation simplicity. As conduits of innovation, plastic pipes play a pivotal role in the symphony of gases, the dance of chemicals, and the flow of water. Each passing day, they carve their identity as maestros of change, reshaping the blueprint of fluid flow management with their versatility and reliability. Now, let's debunk a common misconception. Too often, plastic pipe systems are mistakenly put in the same category as short-lived, single-use plastics. Plastic pipes are engineered products. They harness the strength and longevity properties of plastics, using them for the good of the environment. Unlike single-use plastics, plastic pipes deliver vital services reliably day after day for at least 100 years. At the end of their useful lives, they can be recycled back into new pipes, closing the loop and providing multiple life cycles over several generations. It is a true circular economy in action. Speaking of economies, let's delve into the financial landscape of plastic pipes. From 2018 to 2023, the global plastic pipe market witnessed a commendable expansion, boasting a CAGR of 3.9%. And the journey does not end here. Projections indicate that there's going to be a further growth spurt, with the market expected to swell from $37.34 billion in 2023 to a staggering $63.78 billion in 2034. Such growth is driven by increasing demand across various sectors, including water treatment, construction, irrigation, and more. But enough about numbers. Let's talk about innovation. In 2024, brace yourself for a wave of advancement in plastic pipe technology that will elevate performance, durability, and sustainability to new heights. This will be made possible by the following: high-strength plastics. Thanks to breakthroughs in polymer formulations and manufacturing techniques, we'll witness the emergence of plastic pipes with unparalleled strength properties, perfect for a myriad of applications. Composite plastic pipes. Get ready for the rise of composite plastic pipes, blending different materials to optimize performance and resilience, ensuring longevity even in the face of adversity. Enhanced resistance. We can look forward to plastic pipes fortified with advanced engineering plastics, boasting superior resistance to chemicals and corrosion, promising a longer lifespan and reduced maintenance. Smart technology integration. Imagine plastic pipes equipped with sensors capable of monitoring flow rates, detecting leaks, and providing real-time data on system conditions, ushering in a new era of proactive maintenance and efficiency. Antimicrobial properties. To enhance hygiene and safety, plastic pipes are now being manufactured with antimicrobial properties. These properties help inhibit the growth of bacteria and other microorganisms within the plumbing system, ensuring a cleaner and healthier water supply. Now, let's shine a spotlight on the two stalwarts of the plastic piping world: high-density polyethylene, HDPE, and polyvinyl chloride, PVC. The remarkable qualities of HDPE pipes, with their unparalleled strength, flexibility, resistance to corrosion, chemicals, abrasion, HDPE pipe have become synonymous with durability and reliability. We would be remiss if we didn't talk about the versatility and the efficiency of PVC pipes. Renowned for their smooth interior surface, PVC pipes offers exceptional hydraulic performance, minimizing friction loss and maximizing flow capacity. As we gather here today, let's celebrate the rapid advancements and emerging technologies in the plastic piping, paving the way for a future where innovation knows no bounds. Lastly, I would like to emphasize on the valuable benefits of being a Society of Plastics Engineers India member. Membership in our esteemed society offers a multitude of advantages: networking opportunities, professional development, industry insights, and so much more. In conclusion, as we embark on this exciting journey of exploration, collaboration, and innovation, let us seize the opportunity that Plastic Pipes 2024 and the Society of Plastic Engineers India offers. Together, let us pave a way for the future where plastic piping continues to revolutionize infrastructure, enhance sustainability, and improve lives worldwide. Over the next 2 days, we will be diving headfirst into the world of plastic piping. It's not exactly the flashiest topic, but hey, without these silent heroes, our plumbing wouldn't work, our infrastructure would crumble, and let's face it, life would be a lot more smellier. We have got a lineup of speakers eager to boast about their pipes, some claiming that theirs is longer, others arguing for wider diameters, a few touting flexibility, and there's even talk of pre-lubricated and silent pipes. So, ladies and gentlemen, sit back and enjoy the conference over the next 2 days. Thank you, and let the conference commence. Thank you.